Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today we're going to do, as usual, a multiple time frame analysis for BTC, Ethereum, and we're going to look at the USDT dominance chart, which is important. Starting from a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, as I kept mentioning that when the price was rejecting from $25,000, we exited the market at around $24,000 and we dumped all the way to this level. However, as I said, $19,800 is going to be extremely important support, and from there we started pumping, as you can see, and you can refer to my previous videos that based on a daily time frame how 19,800 was a crucial level. With this candle we held it and we started pumping all the way up to above $26,000. So based on a daily time frame, as long as I said in the last couple of videos, we're going to be in this region, the daily time frame will be under consolidation. However, breaking $21,500, $600, as you can see, resistance broken, claimed as a support, then we started pumping. The daily time frame now under the bull's control. So based on the daily time frame, 19,200 and 500 was extremely important. That was an entry level on the higher time frame since we broke 60, 52 and $48,000. That was a first proper bullish setup, and we saw massive in the first place 25% to all the way up to 32% profit. So as I said, other higher time frames was under the bull's control, all the way up to 26,000 and a half without getting stopped out. You saw 35% profit in the market. So based on the daily time frame, current important level is going to be 23,000 and 23,200. As long as we're going to be above this level, then the higher time frame is safe. If you're enjoying from the contents, do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe in order to grow this channel. Thank you. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Based on a 4-hour time frame, this is from the last video, claiming multiple time frame resistance plus 0.618, the golden pocket, we can pump all the way up to 26,000 plus. So this is the result from the last video. We exited at around this level, as you remember, around $24,000. The 0.618, the fib level, we dumped all the way. We reached to the target number 1. However, we had slightly lower target levels, but stopped out. And we took another long setup, if you remember, all the way up to this level. That provided 10%. However, 4 hours was heavily under the bear's control and we expected to reject. But as soon as we claimed this resistance plus, as you can see, this channel, and perfectly we stayed above the wrinkle resistance and then the parallel channel, we saw another massive pump in the market. However, we missed that trade. So as mentioned in the last video, as long as we claim this level, then there is a chance we can go in the first place $25,000 claimed by all the way up to $26,300 and $500. So as you can see, as soon as based on the lower time frame, we broke the resistance and claim it as a support, then we started pumping all the way up to $26,500, and that provided 13%, 14% profit. And if you're doing a leverage, you do the maths for yourself. However, I gave this levels as well via Twitter. However, if you manage to quote this level that I updated via Twitter, there's either rejection or claim as a support and we can pump. So that again, which is a missed trade for me, that was 21%. However, with the current price action, because 4-hour time frame heavily under the bull's control, 15% profit. If you're doing a leverage, you do the maths for yourself. Before we move on, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available. And it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on with the ETH analysis. As I said in the last video, as long as we're going to be above this line, as well as the Fibonacci level, which is 1635, 1640, then the target number 1 is going to be the daily, followed by all the way up to $1,800. So this is the trade, and these are the old trade setups, as you can see. However, in between, we took this trade as well, rejection from the daily, and we came all the way, claimed target number 1, which was a Fibonacci level, as well as the target number 2. So Ethereum exit was much more better than the BTC. These are the recent trades. So for Ethereum, this was the extremely important level, the resistance level, as you can see, kind of trend line. Plus you've got Renko resistance as well. And then as soon as we claimed on the lower time frame, this level, and we had the target number 1, as I said, we got a bit of stuck in here, and then we reached to the target number 2. So Ethereum lower time frame, mid time frame, high time frame is heavily under the bull's control, as long as we're going to be above this level, and then you've got target number 1, 1800, and followed by 1912. That's going to be the target number 2. So these are the levels that you have to pay attention. And as long as I said, we're above this level, Ethereum is safe. And from the last trade, as you can see, target number 1 cleared, as well as the target number 2, and we had 10% pump in the market. If you're enjoying from the contents, do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe in order to grow this channel. Thank you. Moving on with the USDT dominance, and this is the price action that we're following since the August 2022. We reached to the target level as soon as we got a rejection, claimed that, and as I said, the next target levels are going to be the lower line of this and all the way up to 798%. So as you can see, cleared both of the targets. In the last update that I was expecting that we're going to come and test this support. So perfectly we held the lower line of this support and we started pumping. So at this stage, 720 as well as the 750 is going to be extremely important. We might see this type of price action and rejection that will allow the BTC to pump. We can dump all the way after the rejection, either from here or from there. We got a rejection. We can dump all the way up to 620 and all the way up to 6 level are going to be the important levels. USDT dominance that you have to keep an eye on. If the USDT dominance pumps, BTC dumps, and vice versa. Moving on with the BTC analysis. So as long as we're above this level, 23,000 is going to be extremely important in the first place, all the way up to $23,600 and $500. As long as we're above these levels, we might see if we're going to get a rejection and hold this level, claim it as a support. Then the target number 1, which is going to be higher time frame Fibonacci levels, that's a golden pocket, 0.618. That's going to be 28,000 nearly dollars. So these are the price action I'm looking for, and you have to be careful around $28,000. The higher time frame Fibonacci levels we're following over 2 to 3 months now. So this current Fibonacci level, someone asked me, if you're going to take from here to this level, you will get the current Fibonacci level. So as I said, as long as we're going to be above this level and hold at the target number 1, that's going to be the target number 1, followed by the target number 2. So 1 hour, 2 hour, as well as the 4 hour time frames are heavily under the bull's control. Play level to level, and we came to an end of this episode. And if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.